Watch videos, earn big. $200+ in 30 minutes. PayPal Money Method. Hey folks, welcome back to Profitability Plus, the channel where we dig into money-making websites to help you boost your income without the hassle. No corporate jargon here, just straightforward info to make that bank account smile. Let's dive into it. Last month, the Profitability Plus team embarked on a quest to uncover websites that let you earn cash while enjoying YouTube videos. Today, we've got the top 6 for you, ranging from the least paying to the most lucrative. Buckle up, hit that like button, and let's jump right into it. Starting with our first pick, everve.net. Everve.net offers various YouTube tasks that can flatten your wallet. Signing up with your Google account is a breeze. Head to the Tasks section, scroll a bit and choose between YouTube views or likes. Click on Views, watch the video for 30 seconds, close the tab and voila, money in your pocket. Bonus tip, if you're a TikTok fan, you can earn there too. Stay tuned for earnings reveal at the end. Next on the list is BoxMoney, a goldmine for YouTube watchers. Register, translate the site into English, and start making money. Click on YouTube, watch videos, and get paid instantly. The more you watch, the more you earn. Unlock extra cash by leveling up. It's that simple. Install the browser extension for a seamless experience. Now, let's talk about SurfDoba.com. Every day, thousands of YouTube tasks await, offering more than just views. Translate the site, install the extension, and start making money not only for views but also for likes, subscriptions, and comments. Watch the video, complete the task, and see the cash in your account. It's all about efficiency. SurfDoba takes simplicity to the next level, allowing withdrawals at just 3 cents. Create an account, switch to user mode, and start watching videos. Install the extension for endless video opportunities. Earn more by reaching higher levels. It's an easy game for watching and earning. Moving on to TaskPay.ru, the highest paying site per task. Translate, register, and filter tasks for YouTube jobs. Watch videos, leave likes, and earn cash. Read task descriptions, follow instructions, and take a screenshot for proof. It's straightforward and pays well. Last but not least, aviso.bz boasts the largest task collection for video watching. Instant withdrawals make it a standout. Link your YouTube account, watch videos, and see the money flow into your wallet. All videos are short, making it easy to stack up your earnings. Now, here's the real deal. As per the research of the Profitability Plus team, from everve.net earnings exceeded $7, 27 from Bucks.money, 39 from SurfEarner, 47 from Surf, 51 from TaskPay, and a whopping $78 from Aviso, all withdrawn straight to PayPal accounts. Now, if the first 2 options didn't quite hit the mark for you, don't worry, we've got some alternatives that might suit your preferences better. Let's explore a couple more sites where you can not only watch videos, but also stack up some extra cash. If you're looking for a versatile platform, MyPoints might be your go-to. With MyPoints, you can earn cash by watching videos on a desktop browser or via the MyPoints TV mobile app. To rack up points, convertible to gift cards, cash, or travel points, simply choose a playlist and watch it all the way through. Keep in mind that there's a daily cap of 500 points for watching videos on MyPoints. However, you can boost your earnings by completing additional tasks like printing coupons, playing games, or taking surveys. Signing up is a breeze, and they even sweeten the deal with a $10 Amazon or Visa gift card when you create an account. Just provide your name and email address and you're good to go. Ever thought your online habits could earn you some extra cash? Enter Nielsen Computer and Mobile Panel. Nielsen, a global data analytics company, pays you $50 a year to watch whatever you'd like online. Download the app, create a username and password, and share some basic info about yourself. By opting for paid video watching with Nielsen TV ratings, you'll be sharing some of your browsing data with the company, such as the websites you visited and how long you spent on each. On top of the annual $50 payout, you might qualify for monthly Swip Sticks, where $10,000 is up for grabs among 400 winners. Register multiple devices to potentially earn more rewards, although the specifics are a bit fuzzy. Looking for a platform that goes beyond just watching videos? CashKick might be your answer. While its primary focus is on paid surveys, CashKick users can also earn by watching short videos and ads. To get started, complete your profile survey and pocket your first $1. If you qualify for video offers, find them on your Offers tab in the dashboard. Rewards for each video vary, ranging from $0.25 to a few dollars, depending on the offer. Want to earn even more? Refer friends and family to CashKick and you'll receive 25% of what they earn. It's a neat way to boost your earnings while sharing the wealth. So whether it's MyPoints, Nielsen, or CashKick, there are plenty of options to explore beyond their traditional video watching sites. Give them a try and see which one fits seamlessly into your money-making routine. Now that we've introduced some fantastic alternatives, it's essential to navigate this space with caution. While these platforms offer opportunities to earn some extra cash, it's crucial to be aware of a few warnings and reminders. Time management. As enticing as it is to watch videos and earn, keep a close eye on your time. It's easy to get carried away and spend more hours than planned. Set realistic limits to ensure it complements your schedule rather than disrupts it. Privacy concerns. When engaging with platforms like Nielsen, remember that you're sharing your browsing data. Be mindful of the privacy implications and only proceed if you're comfortable with the information you're providing. Caps and limits. Many platforms, including MyPoints, impose daily caps on video earnings. Understanding these limits prevents disappointment and helps manage expectations. Be aware of the caps and explore other earning activities offered by these platforms. Referral bonuses. While referral bonuses like those offered by CashKick sound appealing, it's essential to approach them ethically. Don't spam your friends and family with referral links. Instead, share genuinely and respect their choice to join or not. Varied opportunities. Keep in mind that watching videos might not always be the most lucrative option on these platforms. Explore the diverse earning opportunities available, such as surveys, games, or other tasks, to maximize your income potentially. So as you venture into the world of earning through video watching, remember these warnings and reminders. Approach it with a balanced perspective. Manage your time wisely and stay conscious of the privacy aspects. That's a wrap for today, folks. Click on the video popping on your screen for more money-making tips. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, happy earning!